All right, guys, so I just got done filming this video, which is kind of weird that I'm doing an intro now, but Oedro sent me these products, and I had to say that they're game changer accessories, at least in my opinion. So watch this video and let me know. Guys, I love you. You guys are the best. Right now, we're at 107,000 views on my second video ever. That is crazy. And because you guys are commenting, liking, and subscribing, we're at 1,500 subscribers. Keep going. And if you're not subscribed, hit that button, like this video, go watch the other ones. And because of your efforts of watching it, you blew it up so much. Oedro, who makes accessories for every kind of car out there, reached out to me asking me, hey, if we send you products, can you review them? I said, all right, let's do it. But I don't want any ordinary products out there. I want the ones that are game changers, the ones that your competitors aren't doing. So that's what they sent us. Let's get to unboxing, looking at these products, and installing and reviewing. Let's go, guys. So right now I'm unboxing what Oedro says is their game changer running boards. Now, everybody knows what running boards are, but if you don't, they're the boards that go underneath the doors, helps people step in. Now, Oedro sent me their 6-inch double cab running boards. Now, what makes these a game changer is that, one, you could already tell by looking at it, it's good quality, it's powder coated, and it also has your 2 running board steps. But Oedro says, oh no, we're gonna go 1 step higher. They actually included a 3rd step on there. That way, if you have something on a roof rack or up on top of your truck and you gotta get it, step up there, gives you a little bit more room, a little bit more height so you can reach and see, do whatever you need to do up there. But we're gonna install it, test it out, and see if it's actually a game changer. We just got done with the install. It took a little bit longer than expected. The instructions weren't as clear, but once we figured it out, it's literally a 5-minute install for each side. And this one thing changes the game. I mean, look at this thing. Looks like a totally different Tacoma. I love this thing. It looks great. Now it says that it could hold up to about 550 pounds. So you big guys, you're good on this. Cool thing is, it helps you get up, but also, like I said before, it has this one little step to give you that little reach for you short kings out there. That way, if you need a reach up here, something, I'm trying to get a roof rack, guys. So if you guys know a good roof rack, comment down below. Let me know what you have, and I'll try it out. Now, this accessory that makes this a whole game changer is because I wish I had this when I first got this truck, because I got this truck because I'm a woodworker. By the way, guys, if you want to see that, should I make a YouTube channel to teach you guys how to woodwork? And if you think so, put it down there. Let me know. I want to know your thoughts. It's been on my mind. But anyway, back to this. If you are a woodworker or you deal with anything in construction, you put anything in your bed's going to look like this. Now, I only had this truck for about 2 years. You could already see the damage that's on that. And Oedro, now, it's just a truck bed cover. But the cool thing about this is it slides in. It's perfectly made for this bed. Now, if you want this, it's going to be down in the description. Oedro also said that they'll do $10 off on this bed cover if you want it. Again, links down below. Go get one, because already, this is the first time I put this in here, and it covers the scratches already. I already like it. It's slip resistant. It's not gonna wear, it's UV protected, so it's never gonna fade. And honestly, it looks good, it's clean, and I just love how that it fits perfectly in there. Again, link is down in the bio. Go get you one and save your truck bed. So we're already halfway through the video. So what do you guys think of Oedro's accessories? Are they game changers? What do you think? I wanna know down in the comments below. And if you haven't done it before, hit that subscribe button and like this video. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, guys, Oedro has been so nice and sent me the best truck bed cover that I have ever seen on the market. I unboxed it right here. Don't want to show it to you yet. Let me get this installed. I'll show you all the cool features, and trust me, this is one that you're gonna be blown away by. All right, guys, so I installed this bed cover earlier today, but waited until it got a little bit darker to show you why this is a game changer. Not only is this bed cover a hard cover, and we all know that's better than a soft because soft, you know, people could stab it, steal it, but why this is a game changer, why did I wait till tonight to show you guys, is because of these. These are LED lights that light up, so it has 4 modes. So you're gonna have your standby, red standby lights, but also does your brake lights and turn signals. Before I show you guys that, there's also another cool feature. We all been wanting to get something out of our truck bed at night, can't see anything. And if you got this cover on, you don't want to take it off so you can just see. So it actually comes with these 2 LED lights that you just push right here. And look how much visibility you get with that. That's incredible. So I'm gonna turn these off, get in the car, and show you this LED strip. Because trust me, once you see it, you're gonna want one. Now, if that's not cool, I don't know what you're thinking about, because this is freaking amazing. And this is definitely a game changer. And again, if you want this, products down below. Now, on to the next. Our next game changer accessory is a light bar. Oedro is saying that this is a game changer because typically you don't have the 3 rows. They have the 3 rows, so it produces more light. It actually produces over 72,000 lumens, which is, I'm not an electrician, I don't know lights, but it sounds pretty intense. What I'm gonna do is, again, like I said before, I'm looking for a roof rack. Again, if you guys know any, put it down in the comments, I need one. So what I got are actually these magnets here. And so basically they come with the clips, so I could attach it on here and just stick it onto there, and I could take it off whenever I want, when I get that roof rack. I'm gonna go do this, and I will see you guys later. All right, so you just saw me install it. Right off the get-go, one negative thing I have to say about it is that it's not that nice of an install. You saw me how to wire my own wiring, which now looking at the description on their website, it does show in the picture that there is a connector, so maybe it just didn't come with that. Mine didn't come with it on it. So I'll give it to them. Maybe it's just this one product that was bad. Now I don't want to test, like I can't fully test it right now to see how bright it gets because obviously it's not night yet. I'll roll a clip right now. All right, guys, so I went to the darkest place here in Charlotte. Fortunately, that has to be the cemetery. So these are your headlights, just your normal headlights. And these are with your brights on and the 2 little hood lights that I have on. This is what you get. So let's try out this Oedro 42-inch light bar, 3 rows of lighting. Wow, that is a lot better than I thought. All right, guys, what do you think after seeing it at night? Is it good? Is it worth buying? Is it a game changer to have that 3rd row of lights? And if you want it, Oedro is going to give you 10% off when you purchase it through the link down below. And let me know what you guys think about it. And if you guys have any other light bars that you like, put them down there as well. I want to see it. Obviously, I'm no name brand snob. I have 2 right here, so I want to know what you guys have. Guys, that is a wrap on this video. Now, I just want to say thank you to Oedro for sending me these 4 products. I think they're game changers. Again, guys, if you think so, let me know down below. If you guys have any other game changer accessories, put it down there. And again, every single product that I've shown you, it's all down in the description. So if you want to go get one, they're all there as well. But again, as I said at the beginning of this video, thank you guys so much for the love and support through this whole entire process. There's only been 2 videos. This is number 3. So let's get another 100,000 views on this. And I can't wait to see you guys again. All right, peace.